Okay, so today I'm going to show and discuss with you the water coil options available on the Pioneer cook stoves. So these water coils I'm going to show you right now can be used on all three models, the Pioneer Duchess, the Pioneer Princess, and then the Baker's Choice by Supper Time. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is the double coil. The double coil I recommend if you are heating 40 gallons or more of hot water. If you are heating 40 gallons or less, you want to go with the smaller single coil, which I'll show you next. So you can see double coil with the connections, you're going to be flowing more water, producing more BTUs. These notches are actually going to go on the exterior of the stove. So when you install this inside the firebox, it's going to be on the right-hand side when facing the front. The ends pop out the rear, and then you'll go ahead and slide these on before you connect into your plumbing components. Super important off the rear of a wood stove when doing your domestic hot water, you need to be running copper, stainless, or brass at least the first 2 feet off the rear of the stove for heat requirements before you can connect into a PEX water line. Here is going to be your single coil. It's just a simple U coil, again, fits into the right-hand side of the firebox. Same thing, ends pop out the rear of the stove. These go on before you plumb in. I hope that you guys found this overview helpful and informational and educational on the water coils for the Pioneer stoves. If you guys like my videos, please give me the thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.